Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today, I'm here with Washington State family law attorney Elise Bowie, and we're going to be talking about what not to use your divorce attorney for. Hi, Elise. Welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me. I'm so glad to be here.
I'm happy you're here, too. Let's go ahead and talk about what not to use for your divorce attorney.
Absolutely. Well, the first would be for all counseling related issues. I think it is so important that clients have a counselor through the divorce process. I mean, I joke with my clients all the time. I cost more than a counselor and there is no medical insurance for me. So don't use me as a counselor or a life coach. And so it's important, I think, for clients when they're thinking about divorce and then when they're initially meeting with their divorce, that they're also having that mental health help on the side. And that could be an actual counselor, PhD, master level counselor, or it could be a coach. Sometimes a coach is a helpful tool to have for the divorce process. And then secondarily, the thing you don't want to use your divorce attorney for is all financial advice. I mean, most lawyers went to law school and we say we don't do math. So I wouldn't give me all your numbers. I mean, it's important to share those with a financial professional. It makes a lot of sense to ask your attorney who to use as that neutral financial professional, because there might be a CDFA in your area that your attorney is close with, works well together, and they have a good working relationship, which is very helpful in keeping your fees down and being able to move forward. But you want to get a really good picture on your finances from someone who is trained in all the financial aspects and who does that all day, every day. It's going to be much more cost effective to get that done with a CDFA than with an attorney. And then tying into that also would be a business valuation. Sometimes people come in with their small businesses and they're like, well, tell me what you think this business is worth. You don't want me to evaluate your business. I mean, you want a professional who is trained in business evaluations to do that. And then also a tax professional. I mean, we very specifically do not give tax advice. I mean, I am not a tax professional. Most attorneys are not tax professionals. Some do have an LLM in tax, but that doesn't necessarily make them prepared to give you actual personal tax advice. And getting that tax advice from your CPA makes all the sense in the world, because when you're looking at a settlement, a mediation, even what's happening after trial, understanding the tax implications of the decisions you're making is critical to your well-being as you move into your next chapter and beyond. I mean, you want to have a real handle on your financial picture. And then I would say, lastly, it more has to do with the children. Again, if your children are suffering and you're seeing behavioral issues, you might want to mention those to your attorney because it could have something to do with the residential schedule, how things are going. But again, you want a child psychologist or a child specialist involved to give you the expert advice you need so that you're meeting your child's needs to the best of your ability through your divorce, which is going to help you immensely moving forward.
Wonderful. These are great tips. I totally agree. Keep the divorce attorney separate from the therapist, from the financial person, from your CPA, even your realtor. Really great advice. Thank you so much, Elise. And our audience out there can find out more information on our website at chapter2club.com, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.